races up come January 1st, 2026. For the new tax recently signed by President Bola Tinubu, the need for judicial officers to update their knowledge on the tax reforms has become imperative. Government House correspondent Sunday Ina again reports that judges in the Temple of Justice are equipping themselves to bring equitable balance in jurisprudence on matters relating to taxes between the government and the citizens. The report.
The capacity workshop for judicial officers of Revenue Court has as its theme strengthening judicial capacity under the Nigerian new tax reforms. The Commissioner for Finance, Mike Odere, and Vice Chairman Planning Commission, Juan Duke, described the workshop as a clear strategy planning in putting Cross River State ahead of the new policy in terms of compliance.
We can't overemphasize the importance of today's ignorance. One of the highest litigations we get from the states, litigations surrounding taxes from our partners, and it makes sense that our gatekeepers who are the judicial service officers understand the changes that has come with the new tax laws and tax acts.
The publicity that the new tax law has created or has carried has given awareness to everybody, every taxpayer. People will be waiting to find the loopholes where they will tell Cross River State government, sorry, not going to pay, it's illegal to pay this tax because we haven't domesticated the new law. So I'm glad that this engagement has been set up. It's a clear sign of strategic planning.
The State Chief Judge, Justice Akwoni Peme, in her remarks, described the training as apt for Revenue Court officers in guaranteeing citizens' rights in the face of the new tax law.
In the private sector who make real money. I don't know how it will be under this law, but one area I wonder as a person, because like you rightly said, those of us that collect salaries, fixed income, stated, we know what our taxes are. But we who are in the service who earn a lot less than them, find ourselves paying so much because our incomes are fixed, documented. So I hope the new Tax Reform Act will take care of that area.
The Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Barrister Dedemani, represented by Mrs. Ethan Olabode, said the recent federal government fiscal reforms is aimed at boosting revenue and promoting equitable distribution of resources by the three tiers of government.
The main idea behind this revolution is to ensure the harmonization of disparate laws and policies on taxation and revenue administration, leverage on technology, strengthen designated revenue institutions, foster interagency cooperation, and facilitate equitable and sustainable distribution of resources across Nigeria.
On his part, the Chairman, Internal Revenue Service, Edwin Okon, while recognizing judicial officers' role in upholding the integrity of the tax system, said every judgment delivered tends to shape compliance, influence investors' confidence, and boost taxpayers' trust. He alleged that if no proactive measures are taken by December 31, 2025, as the hitherto law on personal income tax, which the state revenue collection is based on, ceases to exist, from January 1st, 2026, there may be no sources of revenue collection, and any assessment will be termed illegal.
The tax landscape in Nigeria has experienced a tremendous overhaul. In every step that we have taken, it's all aimed at improving on the revenues, and that the judicial officers have a part to play. And I want to appeal to the judicial officers to please prioritize revenue matters when it comes to you. Because if those revenue matters are prioritized, decisions on them will be taken on time, and it will assist in generating more revenue for the state, and at the same time reduce the burden on the taxpayers.
There were presentation of lectures on the role of judiciary in effective revenue generation by Bright Benoza and Overview of Tax Reforms Act by Dan Anko. The workshop, among other things, seeks to strengthen the capacity of judicial officers in the interpretation and application of the new tax law and to promote timely and efficient dispensation of revenue-related matters in court. Sunday Ina, Service News.